In the previous video, we had an introduction to B2B lead generation, and we had a look at how B2B lead generation involves finding contact details of people and reaching out to them directly. So now we will start having a look at different B2B lead generation tools. And I might have mentioned these tools in the webinar or in the masterclass, but here in this particular lead generation mastery course, we are going to have a much more in-depth look at these tools, and I will also show you all the additional features that these tools have. So the first tool that we are going to have a look at is called Snove.io, and Snove.io is one of my favorite tools for looking at the potential leads that I can reach out to and finding their contact details. So here this is Snove.io website, and I will go ahead and log in into Snove, and I will also show you the pricing first. So Snove.io starts at around $39 a month if you go for the monthly plan. If you go for the annual plan, it's $33 a month, and you can see there are different sizes. So I'm on the basic plan, 1000 credits, and then you have 5000 credits, 20,000 credits, and 50,000 credit campaigns as well. So here you can see they have integrations, and they have a lot of different tools and options inside. So I will be giving you a tour of all these options. So let me go ahead and click on login. So this is my account, and here you can see that there is a tab called prospects. To use Snove.io, I recommend that you go ahead and install the Chrome plugin that comes with Snove, and you can find it in the store, Chrome web store. So I hope you are using Chrome web browser, and here you can see there is the email finder extension. So this is the Chrome extension that you have to install. And once you have installed the Chrome extension, you can pretty much find the email of anyone in question. So if I go ahead and search for, let's say, digital marketing agencies in, let's say, Bangalore. If I search for digital marketing agencies in Bangalore, and there are a bunch of digital marketing agencies being listed here, and let me open a few of these websites. So let's say you are looking for a job as a digital marketer and you want to join a digital marketing agency. So generally, people would think that it is very difficult to find the contact information of these websites, and people try to contact these websites by going to the contact us button, but it's very difficult to get through to the CEO or the manager directly, right? And you don't know who they are, and you don't know how to contact them. And here you can see they have multiple offices, one in Chennai, one in US, one in Australia. And how do you even get through to the decision maker? If you are applying for a job, you might as well try to mail the CEO directly. So here you can see now if I want to find out the email ID of people inside brandstory.in, I will just go ahead and click on this particular link, which is Snove.io's Chrome extension, and here you can see all the email IDs of people inside Brand Story. I will click on complete search, and this URL gets added. Click on brandstory.in, and you will be able to see that all the contacts of this particular website will be available here. So generic contacts, all domain emails. So these are the generic contacts, and these are the personal contacts. So here you can see these personal contacts are erased, they are blurred. So if I want all on page, I would select all of them, and I would click on add to a new list, and I would say brand story. Click on add list, and now it has been added. So let me go back to prospects. Let me click on prospects list, and let me click on brand story. So here you can see it is trying to verify all the emails of this particular brand, and it will take some time for it, and it will also show me whether these emails are valid, whether they are active, and whether they can be mailed or not. So if I look at some other company where I have generated the emails using Snove, so here you can see Moshi, and here you can see a lot of emails are in red, which means that the email address is not valid. So what Snove.io does is that it goes ahead and searches the web for the availability of email IDs which people have publicly displayed, and these email IDs are showing up here because it has been publicly displayed. They have entered their email ID somewhere in the public, so that's why these email IDs are showing up. So here you can see, these three emails are valid, and you can see the founder email ID is now available, rishav@moshimoshi.in. And if I go back to brand story, so this is still searching, you need to give it some time for it. And if you go ahead and look at Flipkart, let's say, so I have been able to get the email IDs of people at Flipkart, and certain domain names will not allow external tools to check whether the email IDs are available or not. For that, there is another tool called Neverbounce, which I will show you. And I can go ahead and try to generate leads based on industry segments, and I will be able to see whether these emails are valid or not. So once you have generated these emails, what next? You need to send out an email to these people, right? So for that, we have email drip campaigns, which I will get to in a moment. And then you have the verify emails tab. So you can also verify individual emails, whether they are valid or not. So let me put my email ID and check whether my email ID is working here. deepak@pixeltrack.com. Verify this email. So irrespective of whether you have generated these emails using snow.io or not, you will be able to verify whether these emails are valid or not. So it will take some time for it to validate it. And email drip campaigns I will get to, but in the meantime, I want to show you more tools here that are available. So there is something called Technology Checker, and Technology Checker basically helps you go ahead and develop a list of websites which are using a particular technology. So let's say you are a WordPress expert and you want to help other people go ahead and get their WordPress site optimized. So you can search for WordPress here, and if you click on WordPress and click on search, it will give you a list of websites which are using WordPress, but you can also filter it. So let's say I want to go ahead and look at all the automotive companies in India which are using WordPress. And let's say you are a freelancer or a digital marketing agency who is focusing on automobile companies and helping automobile companies get better traffic to their website and things like that. So here you can see, we can see a list of all the companies that are using WordPress and they are in the automotive sector. And you can even see what is the version of WordPress that they are using. Like for example, if they are using an old version of WordPress, you can go ahead and send out a mail to them saying that, hey, you are using a old version of WordPress, you might be vulnerable to hacking, and then they will feel like, okay, you know what you are talking about. And here you can see they don't have HTTPS. And as a freelancer or a digital marketing agency, if you want to reach out to this particular company and if you want to provide your digital marketing services, this is an excellent way to find out who people are, what they are using, and then reach out to them. And let's see what other technologies we have. So we'll go to the technology list. So these are the technology lists that we have: e-commerce, feed readers, hosting panels, infrastructure as a service, and you can see photo galleries, remote access. So if you are an agency who is working with any of these technologies, you can find out companies who are using these technologies, right? And then you can go ahead and reach out to them. So we have operating systems as well on which the website is built. We have video players, we have web frameworks, we have so many different technologies available here. Advertising networks, importantly. So if you are running paid ads campaigns and if you want to check out all the people who are using, let's say, AdRoll, which is a retargeting engine, then you can reach out to them. And here you can see these are the people who are using Crazy Egg. So Crazy Egg is a website conversion tool, website optimization tool. And here these are the people using HubSpot. So let's say I want to check HubSpot, and I'll go and click on search, and it will show me all the websites who are using HubSpot. And HubSpot, mind you, is not a cheap tool. It's a very costly tool. And let's say if I can find out the companies in India who are using HubSpot. So I'll go and click on search here, and we can see that I can already see 99 results who are using HubSpot. And let's say PAM India, who are into pharmaceuticals. So when you look at certain companies, all right, so this seems to be an expired site. So let's open a few more. So let's say WebSpire. So this company seems to be using HubSpot, and this is based on the JavaScript codes that they have installed. And here you can be sure that if they are using HubSpot, they can afford to invest in marketing automation technology and things like that. So here you will be able to click on Snow and find out the email IDs of all the people inside this particular company, which is WebSpire, and then go ahead and click on complete search and then find out their email ID. So now we have got the company here and they will be available in prospects, right? So here you can see brand story is now available. So a bunch of emails are doubtful. The email addresses are unverifiable. It is risky, but as I told you, I will show you another tool which can verify email IDs. But here you can see the SEO manager's email ID, which is rahul@brandstory.in, is available, and Vaishnavi Reddy. So this person's email ID is available. So this is one way of going ahead and trying to filter out companies who might be using a particular technology so that you can reach out to them. So if you are into marketing automation and if you are offering marketing automation services, and if you are part of my internship program, you would have learned about the marketing automation technology that you can do and how you can use that as a freelancer. You can check Google Tag Manager. You can check out, there are a bunch of other widgets that people might be using. Like for example, Outbrain is used for native advertising. So this is how you go ahead and filter out things. And then you have Gmail email tracker. You can find out if people are opening the email and it will notify on Gmail. You have company profile search, which is another tool that is available. So let's say I go ahead and click on India. I will go ahead and look out accounting firms. I want to look at accounting firms in Bangalore. So Bangalore is not showing up. Then we have specialties, founding date, company size, company name. So I will just put Indian accounting firms. So here you can see all the accounting firms in India. So if you are a freelancer who is providing services, digital marketing services only for accounting firms in India, then you can go ahead and get a list of all the accounting firms in India. So here you can see this is one accounting firm, and then Jackson Associates. You have so many accounting firms here. So Snow.io not just helps you find out the email IDs of particular websites in question, it also helps you find out what are the websites in a particular industry category. And here you can see, you can again find out the emails for this company. You can find out the emails if you want, and again for this company you can find out the emails. So this is how it works, and that's why this Snow.io is like a pretty useful tool. I will leave a link to signing up for Snow.io below this video. So you have Zapier integration, and you have a bunch of integrations available if you want to pass on data to other apps. And you might have already had a look at my Zapier Mastery course. So in my Zapier Mastery course, I explain everything that there is to know about Zapier. Then Pipedrive integration and email verifier extension. So this is another Chrome extension which will help you verify email with a single click. And the most important extension that you have to install is the email finder extension. So this is what I have installed to find out email IDs of websites. And then you have API, and you can track brand mentions, which is like another sister company that they have. So another very important feature that is available in Snow is that you can send out email campaigns for the emails that you have generated, and you can create like a drip campaign to reach out to these people. And they have a pretty slick automation and they have a pretty slick automation builder, right? So let's say send to list. I will go ahead and click on brand story. So I want to send out emails to all the people in brand story. And what I will do is that we'll click on email. I will connect these two and I will set the email content. So you will, hi from Digital Deepak. So here, I can go ahead and save as template also. So let's say T1, click on save. And I can go ahead and put a delay. So I sent out an email and I put out a delay. So delay, I want to wait for 1 day. And then I want to go ahead and send out another email to them. and inside this email, let's say this is email 2, or you can just put like a reply to a previous email. So this is done. And what I want them to do is that I want them to go ahead and click a link on the email so that I can put a trigger and I can set the trigger. So contact has clicked the link on the email and I can wait up to, let's say, 1 day. So I can give them 1 day to click a link on the email, and this goes to the trigger, and then I can go ahead and put a goal. So basically what will happen is that I am putting a goal here, and if they have clicked the link on the email, then it will reach the goal. So I would say link clicked, or they have replied to an email. If it has not reached the goal, then I can send out another email so that they can click on the link and then reach the goal. Okay, so that would be third mail. So this way you can basically configure an email campaign to be sent out to your leads. But to send out the email, they don't have an email server by themselves. What they will do is that they will connect to your Gmail account. So here you can see add new email account, click on Gmail, and here you can select the Gmail account that is in question, and you can go ahead and send out emails using your Gmail account itself. So that's how useful this particular tool is. And this particular setup, what it will do is that instead of using a email server, since it is going out from your own email account, the emails usually land in the primary inbox. It will not go to spam, it will not go to the promotions folder, and it will not have an unsubscribe link in the emails also. And as long as the mails are customized, then you will be able to reach out to your prospects and get them interested. So I personally do not use Snove.io's drip marketing campaign tool to go out and send out the emails. Instead, I use another tool which I will show you in this course. I use a tool called Mailshake, and Mailshake is a pretty good tool to send out these emails. But Snove has these options as part of the entire package, so I just wanted to show you how this works. So that's about it for Snove.io, and I hope you got a pretty good idea about how Snove.io can help you generate B2B leads. And I will show you more tools like Snove.io which will help you generate leads, and then we will get to some tools which will help you send out emails to the leads that you have generated. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video right now.